Hey there, this is Tom's Travels, and I have a surprise. That's not an electric bike. No, that is a 2022 Triumph Bonneville T100 Gold Line. Yeah, I picked up used at the Eurocycle, and I love this bike. It runs great. It's easy to ride. It's got like a super slipper clutch, about 64 horsepower, 59 pound-feet of torque. The 18-inch wheels and a whole bunch of other cool stuff. It has it's a ride by wire, and because it's ride by wire, I have the ability to install a cruise control, and I did. I installed the cruise control. Oh, by the way, it sounds wonderful. I hope you can hear it. Sometimes when I do these voiceovers, it sort of screws up the audio, but anyways, I'm having fun with this bike. I'm enjoying it. And over here, I'm at the Boulder City Veterans Memorial Park. It's a beautiful park and a beautiful place to take video and pictures of a wonderful bike. Okay? Well, I hope all you guys like this bike. I know I do. And take care. Have a good one.